play the radio.
The radio, yeah.
Because it helps so much.
We're going to try it without the radio though, just in case they don't let you. So
I understand.
right turn onto the roadway.
Okay.
We're going to keep going straight for a bit, and they'll tell you what the speed limit is here. It's 50.
Okay.
When we get through this intersection, when it's safe and possible, we'll go ahead and make a left lane change.
Okay.
Traffic lights way down there, so they'll tell you way ahead of time like that.
Okay.
Gives you a chance to think about when to change lanes when it's safe. Careful. You just cut him off. That'd be an automatic fail right there. Keep going straight.
Okay.